Hey, have you ever seen the same message comes again and again in the pubs up topic? Let's see how it's work. It's a real production project. Here we are having the lab reports that move to the cloud run, then the pubs up calls, and then again it's moved to the cloud run. So here we are having this pubs up topic where we will publish a new message and we'll see how it works. So this topic we are publishing a message, and when publish the message, this message will be pushed to the uh, subscription, and the subscription is our pull type. That means we need to pull the message and acknowledge. So let's see, we have published this message. Now we'll move to the subscription. Here you could see there are two messages. When we are pulling, we can see we are having three messages right now, and if I acknowledge this last message and pull again, then it will not come up. That means if we acknowledge in the deadline exceeded time, then only the message would be acknowledged and will not come up. So what is the deadline time here? It's a 10 second. So in the 10 second you need to acknowledge, otherwise it will come again and again. Comment your doubt and follow the pipeline engineers for your Google Cloud journey.